Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a Pokemon
Fuecoco.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today my son Mateo's with me. Mateo, can you say hi?
Hello.
Mateo is a 7-year-old and he's gonna help me drawing today one of the new Pokemons. What's his name?
Fuecoco.
Okay, so this is apparently this is one of the new Pokemons that were released, and so we are gonna draw it today. So we're gonna start here, going up,
Wow.
up and around, kind of like a big letter C.
Well, do you know that the game was released not long ago? Pokemon Scarlet and Violet.
Yeah, we have another 2 Pokemons coming too. So next we're gonna do the eyes, and from the end of this line we did here, you can leave a little bit of a space on the line, and we're gonna do an oval shape that goes up and comes back down. Okay, now we're gonna leave a space, and the second oval shape is gonna be a little shorter. Okay, it's not gonna go at the same distance, it's gonna go down a little, and so we're gonna do the same oval shape right here. And inside we're gonna do 2 oval shapes. These ones are gonna be thinner, so with the tip of the marker we're gonna do one, and the other one is actually gonna poke from in behind the line, so it's gonna look like halfway. So now we're not gonna color this with black because we're gonna try to put a little gray color inside, so we're just gonna leave it like that for now. Next, we're gonna do here in the center of this curve we did here, we're gonna do another curve, and it's gonna go out again to the left. So I want to start here from the middle of this line. I want to go up, start curving and going down, and stop right here. Good. Now we're gonna do a line that goes over the eyes, and I want to leave a space after the second eye, and I'm gonna go up and around the first eye. Now we're gonna do a little line in between the two. We're gonna do a line that goes to the left, and we're gonna do a second line over the eye, and this one is gonna come down and curve. Okay, now this curve we're gonna connect it with this line. So you almost connected here, so you just connect this line with this. I want to connect my line here. In this space that we have here, we're gonna put like a big tooth, and he has like a triangle shaped big tooth, so we're just gonna go like this. Now he has 2 nostrils. We're gonna do 1 triangle shape here, 1 like that, and the other one comes down here, so we're gonna do it like this. It's pointing down, and we're gonna fill it with black. Okay, next we're gonna do the mouth, and he has a wide open mouth. We're gonna do a little line first that goes down here. And there is a tooth that is poking out here, so what we're gonna do is a curve and a line. Yeah, right down there. It's just tiny. There we go. And we're gonna follow along with this line. After the tooth, we're gonna go all the way up here. It's gonna look like this. Just look. We're gonna go all the way here to here. Now inside we're gonna do the tongue, so we're gonna come after the tooth down a little, and we're gonna do a curve that goes really close to the tooth that we just draw here, like this. And inside on this side we're gonna do another pointy teeth with a triangle shape. Good. Now let's do the outside of the mouth. We're gonna do a little curve right here. And he has one of his hands here pointing. So we're gonna do 3 triangles. It's almost look like a letter M, almost, but it's gonna start 1, 2, and 3. And we're gonna close this hand with a curved line. Now let's go in the other side. We're gonna go from the top of the head, and we're gonna go down, down, down. We're gonna pass the face, and we're gonna start curve out like this. Okay, now underneath the second tooth, we're gonna do a curve. Okay, now let's leave a space, and we're gonna do another curve. And we're gonna do 3 triangles in between. Okay, so now underneath this hand we just did, we're gonna do one of his first feet. So we're gonna do a curve that goes down. And then we're gonna leave a space, and we're gonna do another one. And this one is not a curve, this one is more like a straight line that goes down. Okay, now in between these two, he has some kind of like big claws. So we're gonna do 2 triangles. The first triangle is gonna go up and down. And then we're gonna do another one here, up and down.
Up and down.
And then we're gonna close and close. And we're gonna close also this one. And this, if it doesn't touch this one yet, you just connect it there.
Oops.
It's okay. Okay, now let's finish the tail. The tail is gonna go farther away a little bit to the left. I think your tail is pretty much there. Mine needs to get extended a little. So I'm gonna go out and come back, and it's gonna connect with the feet.
I went a little bit too far that time. But it's good because I already have my tail fin.
And we're gonna connect. We're gonna make a line right here. Okay, now he has a little bit of a square here, so we're just gonna draw the square right there.
I know a lot about Pokemon, but don't ask me about that because I have no idea what that is.
Yeah, this is very new, eh? Okay, now from this hand, we're gonna connect with these feet, and so we're gonna just go in the center of this hand, and we're gonna go down with a line. Then we're gonna do a square right here, so we're gonna go up with a curve, and then go down with a curve, and another curve. This is like a funny square, like it's just his sides are more curvy. And then there is a line that crosses in the middle of the tummy, so it goes like this. 1, 2. Okay, the last detail here is gonna be the other foot. So we're gonna do a little curve that goes down, and then we're gonna start after this curve to do the triangle. So I'm gonna do the first triangle here. 1 goes down, and the second goes up and goes down, and we're gonna close with a curve. And to finish the feet, we're gonna just do a line right here underneath the tummy. The very last detail, he has kind of like a 2 little things here, like almost like feathers. So from the center where we did this line, we're gonna do the first one. It's gonna come out, and it's gonna go up and then down with a curve. And then we're gonna close it with another little curve like this.
What? Oh yeah, I know which one it is.
And we're gonna do one more. It's shorter, this and it's pointing to the left. So we're gonna do kind of like curve, curve, and come back down. And the very last detail, if you have room in between these kind of like feather and the head, we're just gonna close here.
Well, I have lots of room.
There we go. And there, that's it. We finished this new Pokemon. It's very new to us. We don't have a lot of information about this Pokemon, but we thought it was really cool to draw it. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Alright, little artists, we are done. This is how our picture turned out, and the colors we choose, or we use the colors of the character. This color was a little tricky. We couldn't find a color that was matching perfectly. Mateo used a color that was a little bit more pale. I used this color peach just to match a little bit of the color. We went around, and to put some shadows on the picture, you can just wait until the marker is dry and then pass one more time over, like in this pink. I just wait a little bit and then I pass over, so it gives you more the sense of his mouth is open.
Okay, here's the facts. Fuecoco, the Firecrack Pokemon, fire type, and technically it weighs 21 pounds.
Oh, really?
Yeah, technically all the facts are there.
Nice. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step and easy like this one. See you next time. Bye.
Bye. And one more thing, my sister is gonna make the other starter, Sprigatito.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yep. Bye.